Bruce from Safari, and we're alongside Jake Frew Dmax here. And we'll give a shout out to Jake. How's that, Jake? A big promo for your construction business. I tell you what I love about Jake. He puts his motorbike in here, and these two racks at the top here that he's got, I think he designed them. He then puts two other bikes running down the back here, two e-bikes down the back, motorbike down the middle, and back tracks on the top. And we've put a 400 watt solar panel on top of the back tracks there that you can see on the top there. And look, we've got absolute crap weather today, but we're still, we're down to 20 watts, putting in 20 watts. Now, what Jake did was, these were his toolboxes, and he said, Bruce, fit them out. Now let's just have a look at this. This is a pretty tight build. So we've got the equivalent of 400 amp hours of lithium in here, 3000 watt inverter. There's our turbo, there's all the gear, there's the isolator down there. He can get access to everything. He can get access to all the fuses here on the side. It's all labeled that we've got here. Solar controller on the top, screen and light switch. And Jake, we've put in our automatic door switches. So as this comes down, if I can stay inside and it gets to a point, it'll trigger that, believe me, it will. And they will turn off. There it is, it's off and back on again. And we've got a choice here between white and amber. So I can turn that off, and we've got amber lights built into the door. Now the nice touch that Jake wanted was hot water. Now he's got a 3000 watt inverter, right? So we have put the electric hot water in the toolbox on this side. It's on setting 4. I'm going to get Cam to come and help me. And let's see what temperature we pull out of here with the 3000 watt inverter. Okay, so Cam's going to turn the pump on. We've got the standard switch here, water coming out. And we're now going to have a look at what the temperature is. So it's pretty cold here at the moment. I'd say the water inside's really cold. Now we're coming out of there at the moment. That's 27, 28. I think we've had it up to, actually that's pretty comfortable, 29. I think we've had it up just over 30, haven't we? Yep. There it is, 30 now. So just sitting on 30, just turn the flow down a bit, Cam. We've got the flow turned down. It's a pretty powerful pump. A lot of water coming out of there now, and it's sitting at a steady 30 degrees. I could shower under that. That's quite comfortable. And let's walk around to this side now and see how much power we're drawing. And we're drawing 2896 watts. The Victron system's flashing there. You'll see the little red light flashing there. It will go over for 30 minutes, 30% over for 30 minutes. So you've got 30 minutes there, Jake, to have the shower at that temperature, and then we'll bring it back down below that, or we can set the level lower. But that's 2900 watts coming off this inverter here, and it'll keep running for at least 30 minutes. You'll run out of water by then. Let's have a look now to see where we popped Scotty in this Dmax, and look at that. That's the new 1500 under the seat. I've got to show you this. Look at this. I'm going to do a reel on this. It's just fantastic, just so compact. Cam did an incredible job on it to get the cables coming up from behind. That's just our power switch into Scotty to turn it on and off. Just an incredible. Now one of the little things that Jake wanted was a travel buddy oven. But I talked him into this 240 volt oven up here that you can see, and we just turn that over there. So we put the lid down, and I turn the timer on here, and I've got that turned up high, and that will actually go up to 230 degrees C. Those elements get incredibly hot, top and bottom there. It'll actually go up all the way up to that temperature, and we're pulling 1105 watts off the inverter. And so it's good for toast, pies, whatever it may be. Yep, put my hand in there, she's getting hot in there. And then you've got the timer down here. And that is, I got no shares in Kmart, but that's 29 bucks from Kmart. Got to say, what do you think, guys? How good's that for a builder?